Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering essentials and taking immediate action. Install a QR generator and a scanner app on your phones, and create a Google Sheet or lightweight database for records. Decide the payload. Student ID, name, and timestamp. That keeps entries minimal and searchable. Once done, generate a sample QR containing a test ID and scan it into the sheet to verify connectivity. Make sure the scanner writes to the sheet or sends a post to your endpoint, because this is how attendance will be captured. Next, you build the middle flow that logs attendance reliably. Create a small web form or API endpoint that accepts scan payloads. This centralizes validation and timestamping. Configure your scanner app to post JSON to that endpoint, or use Zapier or IFT to connect the app to Google Sheets if you prefer no code. Once the endpoint receives data, validate the ID format, append a server-side timestamp, and implement a short debounce to prevent duplicate taps. This ensures clean, auditable records without lost or repeated entries. Complete the system by adding reporting and an admin interface so you can view, edit, and export attendance. Daily CSV exports work well. Implement unique count logic and an error log that captures failed writes. Once deployed, run a live trial with a small group and confirm end-to-end flow. If things go wrong, check network connectivity first, then inspect endpoint logs for malformed payloads, and finally verify scanner app permissions. These 3 checks solve most issues quickly, so you can resume reliable attendance tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.